So I'm doing this news segment for the emergency alert system. It's called the Emergency Beau System. And it involves the emergency alert system, but with a picture of me. So any second now, I'm going to be interrupted by... This is a test of the emergency Beau system. You'll hear a tone for 20 seconds with a picture of Beau. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency Beau system. If this has been an actual emergency, Beau will give it to you straight. This has been a test of the emergency Beau system.